Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to convert Canva website to HTML. Now here in their website, so just click the share button, and then from here what you're going to do is select the see all option, and here you will be able to see the embed, and then click on that. And here you can copy this one. And then the other thing that you can do is first go back, and then here you need to publish first your document to website, and then you can make your website URL, and then let's just wait for that. And now once the creation of our website is done, if we'll be able to view this is how it looks like. Now, if you download this or save this to your device, you can save it as HTML and then click the save button. Now, if you be able to view it on your browser, this is how it looks like. Now the main problem for this one is there are some elements that is missing, so it is better to view the website through the Canva. And then another thing that you can do is to click again the share button, and then here we have the public view of our document. So if we click on that, we will be able to create a link for public view, and if we paste into our browser, this is how it looks like. And then that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.